Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500 guys. If you have one of those generation from year 2008 to year 2022 currently, you need to remove or replace headlight bulbs. Stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Left right side will be identical, we'll just demonstrate on the right side. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, provided absolutely free. Why we do that, guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. If you need to buy new bulbs, parts, tools, you want to get them at a really good price and save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So, we'll be demonstrating on a 2015 Abarth that we have right here. And the headlight, if you open, guys, the hood, you will see that it's practically not accessible from the top. Okay, in most cases you can do top or bottom, but depending on the engine you go through here. Okay, and actually it's only on top, you can see, because here, okay, I'm trying to focus, this is the daylight running bulb, this is the turn signal bulb, so we don't have the headlight here. Where is the headlight then? Okay, let's explain that now. On the left side, you have a little bit less room than the right side. Right behind the coolant tank, right here, you will have that cover. Okay, check this cover out now. Right here, you turn it counterclockwise. Okay, about 30 degrees. You gently pull it out, the seal may come loose as well, so be careful. That's the seal. If it comes out, okay, push it back in the cap. Next, inside, guys, that's where things get a little bit interesting. Let me see if I can get it from right here to show you. Okay, the bulb is right there. That's your bulb. So no, that's perfect, that's perfect. Just keep it like that, down. Okay, that's the bulb right there. Let me focus quick now. Okay, perfect. You grab the bulb, okay, and you're going to go ahead and turn it counterclockwise about 60 degrees. Okay, it's almost out. So eventually it comes out, it gets a little bit stuck. When you get your head and light there, you can see a little bit better. Okay, now the headlight bulb, when you install a new bulb, it's super important not to touch it with your fingers, because if you do, it will burn, okay, and it will not work anymore. The oil from your fingers, when the bulb gets hot, will create a hot spot that will actually prevent the bulb from working. That's the bulb right there. Now it has 3 teeth right here. When you remove it at about that position. When it's installed, it stays at about this position, okay, in the headlight. So you can see that's where it goes. Everything else is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. If you want to know more about Fiat 500, how to fix things, we'll be making videos on the channel quite often, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.